everyone, Raindrop here, and welcome to the first episode and season of Raindrop's cartoons. Today we'll be drawing a panda. I'm going to use the Prismacolor markers, Prismacolor Premier. They are really nice, fine line markers. They are awesome. They do come in a pack of 6 and it includes yellow, red, purple, blue, green, and black. Today I'll be using black, obviously. They do have 2 sides, a small one and a large one. Alright, let's get right into the tutorial. Today, let's draw the panda. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to start out by using the smaller one, because I don't want to make some big mistakes with the big side. Because that will be a disaster. You don't want that to happen. So, yeah. Okay. First, we're going to start out with the head. Basically, you're always going to start out with the head. If you want, to give it a little more character. If you start drawing a body and someone looks over your shoulder like, what the heck are you drawing? Alright, so let's draw the head first. It is going to be a rounded head. This is sort of a let's draw. I sort of have something planned in my head, but I don't really know what I'm drawing yet. I randomly picked a panda because one of my best friends, her animal is a panda. She doesn't own one, but she loves pandas. They're adorable and really, really, really soft. If you're wondering, I never, ever touched one because they're like really dangerous. But anyway, don't listen to what I just said there. Let's draw the panda. I just drew 2 ears because it is a panda bear. But yes, let's make it like a sort of a tired old panda. So have its eyes start like that. And then bring them around like so. Draw 2 circles in its eyes. These are super easy and adorable. Look at our little tired panda. Look how tired he is. I actually didn't extend this all the way, so it sort of looks uneven. Yeah, it is uneven. Oh well. Well, you guys get the gist. Let's draw its little cute little nose. Everything is cute when it's a panda. Right? Everything is adorable. Like, everyone loves pandas. Everyone loves pandas. Don't make it, try your best not to make it a dog-shaped nose, because this is a dog and then it has, like, its spots. A panda actually doesn't have that type of nose. If you want to use it, you can, but pandas have sort of an oval-shaped mouth, an oval-shaped nose, because it is a bear, and it comes out of their muzzle, and they have, nose, nostrils, like, right here. It's not like a pig, but, and it's, like, all dark. But, pandas do not have dog noses, so you may use dog noses, because those are adorable, too, but I'm not going to use a dog nose, because it's a panda. But, yes, so you can connect it. I don't know what you guys want to do. I'm going to connect mine to a little lip. Right now it just looks like a bear. Alright, let's make this a panda/bear video because, yeah. Why not? I mean, they're really similar, except pandas have black spots. Pandas, I've always seen pandas laying down. They're really, really big. So let's make it sort of like a little chubby panda. Bring it out like this. And bring him in like that. There. Those will be his nice, long, or big paws. There we go. And come out with his body. I'll draw the panda marks afterwards. Let's draw his body so you guys don't get confused. I'll make him hug some bamboo or something, so guys will know. So basically right now I'm drawing a bear. I guess that's what I'm doing. Make it come around like this. From here, you can make him standing up, but I'm making him sit down, so I'm just going to draw his little feet here. And his legs. Yeah, so cute, so adorable. Pandas, I love them. Again, uneven. I never make anything even, ever. Let's fill this in. Once you're finished filling this in, that's about it for the panda or bear video. If you are not drawing a panda, I wouldn't recommend filling its little feet in here. I wouldn't recommend it because, you know, pandas have markings. You can mark the panda, like put its little belly in, its eyes, and its ears. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. What do you guys want me to do next in season 1 of cartoons? What do you guys want me to do next? I will listen out to all of your comments. So yes, that'll be it for today's episode. I'll see you guys later. Bye.